Bitcoin is starting to bounce from off this level of support, and this is going to be a huge Bitcoin warning. This is going to be my final Bitcoin warning because a massive breakout is going to be inevitable. People have once again been flipping bearish because of this minor rejection we've been seeing yesterday. So yes, the market sentiment is flipping back fearful. We are going to need to be talking about this exactly, about a rate cut that is going to be happening tomorrow, and much more in this update video about the Bitcoin against gold chart, which is currently sitting at a massive level at support. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look in towards that short term. And yes, a massive opportunity for Bitcoin is still going to be coming up, and if you want to be following me with my next Bitcoin trade, you want to be watching my video, because right now you can be copying my trades. More on that a little bit later. First of all, in that short term, yes, Bitcoin is bouncing off towards the upside ever so slightly. Of course, yesterday we have been having a look towards this level of support, and I have been saying that first of all, because of the Bitcoin funding rates still being extremely low, and on top of that, sitting at a major level of support, I think it is going to be more likely that we are going to be seeing a little bit of a bounce. We have been breaking this previous level of resistance back in towards support, so this is just going to be a perfect retest in the market. And always with a level of support, it is going to be more likely to see a bounce than to see a break below. But if we are going to be seeing a break below, then we must be flipping our bias. But that is not happening right now, so we are seeing a slight little bounce in the short term right now for Bitcoin, breaking above this trend line over here, definitely starting to look pretty good. But honestly, for me, it is just going to be very simple for Bitcoin. Of course, we are also still having this trend line level of support over here, providing us support at this current moment. So let's have a look at how this is going to be playing out. Anyways, it's going to be very simple, because Bitcoin is creating this level of support at the bottom side and this level of resistance at the top side. Of course, coming from off this level over here, where we have been perfectly getting our third touch point from off right now at this current moment, which is exactly what we have needed. So yeah, Bitcoin is creating this falling wedge pattern over here, and either we are going to be breaking down below this level of support, and in that case, I definitely do think that Bitcoin is still going to be retesting this trend line over here, this level of support over here, and that would be a very good opportunity in the market. Or we are already going to be breaking out towards the upside already, and in that case, I also definitely do think that a breakout towards the upside is going to be a very good opportunity in the market. So yeah, either this level of support getting hit or a breakout towards the upside, these are going to be the two best opportunities right now in the market. But honestly, it is starting to look very bullish with this shift in trend which we are seeing right now. Of course, each and every single time we have been creating lower lows, but this time around we have created an equal high with our daily candle closes, and if you are going to be counting out the wicks, well, then we have already created a new higher low. So definitely we are creating a shift in trend over here. If we are going to be breaking above this previous high over here, we are definitely going to be headed much and much higher. Anyways, this shift in trend over here is already starting to look very good. At the same time, also the Bitcoin funding rate still being extremely low, which is still bullish for the Bitcoin market. And also the Bitcoin market sentiment is still fearful, while we are at the verge of this massive breakout at this current moment. So that is only going to be suggesting a very good thing right now in the market. It is definitely starting to shape up very nicely in that short term. Of course, in that larger time frame, we are still going to be expecting a massive breakout eventually towards the upside. I think it is going to be getting initiated whenever we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside from off this falling wedge. Anyways, guys, a massive opportunity is going to be coming up, and right now you can be following me over on OKX for copy trading. So yeah, if you want to be following me with my next Bitcoin trade, go towards that first link in the description. Whenever this pattern is going to be breaking out with a low amount of risk, I'm going to be opening up a Bitcoin trade with copy trading over on OKX, and what you need to be doing is click on that first link down below. By the way, with this first link down below, you can also already be getting a 30% discount, a trading fee discount, a $60,000 deposit bonus, and also you can be claiming these rewards over here, an Omega Moon own watch, iPhone 16, AirPods 4. So yeah, that is already going to be crazy in it of itself. But yeah, if you're going to be using that link down below, you can also be following me over on copy trading. Just go towards the copy trading tab over on OKX, search traders over here, find Mr. Crypto, and there you go. You can be following me over on OKX. So of course, no financial advice, do your own research. But yeah, make sure to set up your account right now with that first link down below, claim your bonuses, and in the meantime, while we are not going to be breaking out over here, you can be following other copy traders over here, because some of the best copy traders are right now trading over on OKX. So yeah, make sure to be doing that. Anyways, guys, having a look into what's the stock market. Well, the stock market is still about to be reaching these previous all-time highs, right? It is reaching these previous all-time high resistance. And we are about to see these rate cuts happening right now in 1 day and 9 hours as of recording this video. And we are about to see probably a 50 basis point rate cut. Maybe, possibly, it could also be 25 basis point. But right now, still the probability of a 50 basis point rate cut is still going to be way higher. Anyways, I will be going live at the point of the FOMC meeting and also at the rate cut decision. So this is going to be bringing in a lot of volatility for the Bitcoin markets. It's going to be very important and very crucial. So I will be going live at the point of this event. Make sure to be watching it whenever I'm going live. This is going to be the first rate cut of this cycle. It's going to be massive. It's going to be huge. Anyways, if we're going to be zooming out still for Bitcoin, still liquidity is increasing in the crypto market cap, still more money is entering the crypto market, while the Bitcoin price is still going down. We are still seeing a huge divergence being created over here, just like we have seen over here, and also just like we have seen over here. Whenever these divergences tend to be getting created, Bitcoin tends to see a huge catch-up trade towards the upside with a huge Bitcoin pump. I do think it could be happening once again with Bitcoin over here. Anyways, we have been seeing this Bitcoin post-halving dump, and right now we are approaching our US elections and also that date where Bitcoin is about to go exponential after the Bitcoin halving. So about 160 days after the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin tends to go parabolic. Right now we're going to be approaching this date, so definitely keep your eyes out on that. Anyways, I think eventually we are going to be breaking out this huge consolidation towards the upside. Make sure to right now be having a look into this Bitcoin falling wedge pattern. Make sure to be following me over on copy trading over on OKX. Prepare your account, load up your account right now with money over on OKX. I'm going to be taking this trade. Anyways, for the Bitcoin against gold chart, yes, we are currently sitting at a major level of support. Now, why is this going to be important is because a lot of inflation has, of course, been going on. And whenever you're going to be comparing the digital gold against a real gold chart, well, historically speaking, you can be seeing some very interesting confluences. For example, right over here, we had this confluence over here, and there have been many such confluences in the chart for Bitcoin against gold. And right now, we are sitting at a major crucial level of support. So definitely something to be keeping your eyes out. Anyways, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.